Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola. Today's date is 14th May 2022 and this is my original video. Uh, First of all, string pool is nothing but a storage area in Java heap where string literal uh, stores. It is also known as a string intern pool or string constant pool. It is just like a object allocation by default is empty and privately maintained by the Java string. Whenever we create a string, the string object occupies some space in the heap memory. Creating a number of string might increase the cost and the memory to which maybe reduce the performance also. The JVM performs some steps during the initialization of string literals that increase the performance and decrease the memory load. And to decrease the number of string objects created in the JVM, the string classes keeps a pool of a string. When we create a string literal, the JVM first check that literal in the string pool. If the literal is already present in the pool, it returns a reference to the pool instance. If the literal is not present in the pool, a new strings object takes place in the string pool. And the string constant pool is a special memory area. When we declare a string literal, the JVM creates the object in the pool and stores its reference on the stack. Before creating each string object is in memory, the JVM performs some steps to decrease the memory overhead. And the string constant pool uses a heap hash map in its implementation. Each bucket of a hash map contains a list of a string with the same hash code. In earlier versions of Java, the storage area of the pool was fixed size and could often lead to the could not reserve enough space for objects heap error. When the system loads the classes, string literals of all classes go to the application level pool. It is because of the fact that equal string literals of different classes have to be the same object. In these situations, data in the pool should be available to each class without any dependency. And usually the stack stores the data that is short-lived, and it includes local primitive variables, references of heap object, and methods in execution heap, which allows dynamic memory allocation and stores the Java object and JRE classes at the runtime. The heap allows global access and data stores in the heap are available to the all threads during the lifetime of the applications, whereas the data stores on the stack uh, have the private scope and only the owner thread can be accessed them. The stack stores the data in continuous memory block and it permits random access. If a class needs in a random string from the pool, it might not be available due to the last in first out. And in construct, the heap allocates the memory dynamically and allows us to access the data in any way. Let's assume we have a code snippet consisting of different types of variables. The stack will store the values of the literal and references of a string and demo objects. The value of the objects will be stored in the heap, and the all strings literal to go in the pool inside the heap. And the variables created on the stack are deallocated as soon as threads completes execution. In context, a garbage collector reclaims the resources in the heap. Similarly, the garbage collector collects the unreferenced items from the pool. The default size of a pool may differ on the different platforms. In case of it is still much bigger than the available stack size. Before JDK 7, the pool was a part of a fragment space, and from ZK 7 to now it is a part of main heap memory. And this is the information about this SCP stack constant port. Thank you.